Alright guys, so this is a very like random vlog or just video that I decided to upload because, you know, we need that content, okay? So I actually got some new I got some new filming equipment, so we are going to open it up. Also, I know I look like a mess, but that is because I am home and this video was out of the way, so I was like, you know what, I'm just like, they're gonna see the real me, okay? They're gonna see like the sweatpants and socks and sweatshirt with the acne. Bro, you're gonna see all of it. So let's open this. I think I need some scissors. Alrighty. Alright, so we have the ring light, and I bought, it smells like Lysol spray because I Lysoled it, but I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $120, so it's a little pricey, but I'm trying to get the best of the best because I want this to last. Here is the box. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so it comes in this big bag. And I love that it has a little nice carrying case. Like, that's so neat. I'm so excited. Alright. Oh my gosh. So we have, these things are like, I looked on the little tutorial that they have. I'll leave the link for it down below, but in the tutorial, they were like detachable ring lights. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, then they have this box. Like, I don't even know what's in here. Is there like instructions for this? Because I don't know what I'm doing. So inside we have the plugs. I don't know what this plug goes for. Oh, I think right. And then inside here we have, like, because they give you like a selection, right? You can do either the orange, like this is supposed to be the daylight one, and this is supposed to be like the studio one, filters. So we got two different filters, you know, a vibe. Then we have some screws. This one for the camera so it can move. Some stuff. And that's the instructions. So we're gonna try to get this set together. If I can't, I'm gonna ask my dad to do it because he's very handy when it comes to this stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. My goodness, this just inspires me to make more videos, you know? So, oh my gosh. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe already. But now we're gonna try to put this together, okay? Was not that bad to put I hate this angle, gross. It feels so tiny. Now we're gonna put the little things on. If you're watching this video and you know that I did this completely wrong, let me know, okay? Don't like let it go unnoticed. Help your sister out. So now we're gonna plug it in. That's wavy. What? Okay. We gotta try this out. I am so excited. Like, just for the videos. Guys. And then I can do behind the scenes, bro. Okay, so you probably saw from like the last clips, I was like dumb hype for no reason. But no, like, I just want to take time to kind of talk to you guys about what my new upload schedule is going to be. But right now I have been very, Willow, you're moving the camera, relax. But right now I have been very busy with like school, so I haven't really had time to upload. But now I want to shoot for every Wednesday. I want to shoot for every Wednesday, but it depends, because I don't want to like make that commitment saying, oh, I'm uploading every Wednesday, and here I am not uploading every Wednesday. But I am gonna try to shoot for Wednesday. I can't even talk. I'm gonna try to shoot for Wednesdays as my days to upload. But yeah, I am so excited with this new filming equipment. I just have like all these ideas in my head. My videos are just gonna be so much better, and this is something like I know was worth the investment. Like the clothes for the clothing haul, I probably shouldn't have done that, but I know for like just filming equipment and camera equipment and stuff like that, I know it's always gonna be worth the investment because it's something that I love to do. But thank you guys. Whoa, what was that? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.